Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make beautiful rose flower. Here we are going to use this red crepe paper. You can use whatever color you like. So we are going to start twisting and folding this crepe paper from one corner until we are going to start twisting it till the end like this. Use your thumb and look at the shape. Twist it like this. Again hold it from other hand and twist it and look, you will get a shape like we are doing here. Rose flowers are great for home decorations. You can use them for various purposes. In this video, we are going to learn how you can make these beautiful rose flowers just by these easy technique. All you need is a crepe paper. If you don't have crepe paper, you can also make this in normal craft paper. So we are almost done now. Start folding this crepe paper like this. Hold it and doing it like this, and it's almost done now. And look, it's end. After this, we are going to pick all of them together like this, and we are going to start rolling it from the very first end, very starting end, and start rolling it like this. Again hold it and you have to roll it in a very loose manner like this. Don't tight it and give it a proper shape. Look at the index finger. We are going to even it like this and roll it, and look, it's done. Finally tie it or paste it using a tape. Here we are going to use a rubber band. It's a very easy method. You can use a thread or tape in place of this. Tie it, give the petal shape like we are doing here. Pull them outwards for the natural look, and look, your rose flowers are ready. Let's make these colorful flowers. For that we are going to cut small pieces of these crepe paper. Here we are using red crepe paper. Now we are going to fold it, twist it from its middle part, and we are going to make the petals first. Spread it like this. Now we are going to do this from all these strips and make more such petals. After this we are going to combine all of them together using this thread. So we are going to put all the petals one after another and tie the thread like this. Here we are going to do it like we are doing here. Finally we are going to paste it using hot glue gun, and your flower is ready. We are going to paste all the remaining petals like this, and look, your flower is ready. And you can also add leaves later, and look, you can make more such flowers. In this video, we are going to make beautiful flowers using ribbons. Here we are using two types of ribbons. One is of baby pink and another one is transparent. Paste the transparent one on the top of the baby pink ribbon using double-sided tape. It will give more beautiful look to the flower. Again, paste double-sided tape on the top of the transparent ribbon like this. Now remove the white portion, but leave one side open like this, and remove the remaining part of the white portion of the double-sided tape. And now the fun part begins. We are going to twist it like this, fold it, and we are going to paste it from the back side as well using hot glue gun. After this we are going to repeat the same process. So fold it again, and from the back side paste it using hot glue gun. It will stick using the double-sided tape in the front portion, but you have to paste it from its back as well to give it a clean look. We are using hot glue gun here. You can also use double-sided tape, but that process is very lengthy, so use hot glue gun, and look, it's done. After this we are going to paste the top portion as well. Gently put the hot glue gun and start rolling it like we are doing here, and you will get a beautiful pink flower like this. Roll it, and look, it's done. For a final touch, tie it using a rubber band. Put leaves like we are doing here, and look, you can make more such flowers for a bouquet. We are going to make a beautiful artwork. So we are going to make a moon using this plate. Place it on the sheet of paper and trace lines around it. Now we are going to paste this beautiful fabric on the top of the canvas. After this we are going to paste these beautiful white rose flowers in the shape of moon like we are doing here. Use hot glue gun and start pasting all the flowers one after another like this, and look, it is ready. Fill inside as well like we are doing here using white rose. Now we are going to color it, and look, it is ready. We are doing blue color here. Paste pearls and flowers, and your artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.